look at something logically, you should, if you know what I'm saying?
You should always look at things, if possible. I don't know what just happened here.
Couldn't take it, so they just shut it.
Okay, no, it didn't shut off. It's a phone call. You should always look at things intellectually, absolutely, and you should not look at things emotionally. Most people, however, are not capable of doing that.
So maybe you could take a scenario, say, okay, what are the positives and what are the negatives of saying a word like this? And if the negatives far outweigh the positives, definitely don't say it. But if for whatever reason the positives way outweigh the negatives, then maybe you have a case that you could say a certain word.
You're right. That's Gemara and Pesachim. Gemara and Pesachim says that the Olam Yishana Dam Tamido Derek Tzara, right? The person should not the Gemara. I forget what that Gemara is. The person should always say things in a shorter way, which is more lucid and understandable. But at the same time, it says the Gemara says the Chumash added 16 letters to say as Sabehema Asher Nana Torah. It said Sabehema Tmeya in order to teach us to talk Lashon Nekiah. Now Tmeya, the language of Tomei, is far less nibble peh than the N-word. And yet the Torah is telling us even the word Tomei you should try and avoid. Which is, yeah, we say, even the word Choshech is to be negative. And it says, with the Gemara asks the brachas, how come Yotzar B'nei Choshech? Why do we say Choshech?
Rabbi,
Yeah.
so if you're going to base your form of speech on this, like the society you're in at the time when you're speaking, right? If you're doing this, let's say I grew up around a lot of people of color, and if I go back to my hometown, into certain places where I grew up around, and around the people that I hung out with, this word specifically you're using
If that's
is
minhag,
not a problem amongst
if
them.
that's minhag hamakom, if that's the custom of here in the north, it's not the minhag hamakom.
Right. Okay.
Okay.
Ask me a
Fair.
different question.
Fair.
Different question. Many years ago, the word gay was to mean happy.
Yes.
Today it has a terrible connotation.
Right.
So now, now,
That's by the way why I try usually to use the term homosexual.
I don't know why that's better. That's like worse.
I'm protesting the fact that they took a word which would meant happy and changed it to something else. That's my own personal protest.
Okay.
Yeah.
That sounds worse. But okay.
Okay.
I'm sorry.